Hello friends, my name is Mr. Larry and I am one of the Youth Services Librarians at the Enterprise Library, which is a branch of the Las Vegas Clark County Library District. Today, I want to do an amazing experiment with you. It's called elephant toothpaste. And elephants really do use it. I'm only kidding. Now, let's begin the experiment. The first thing you need are ingredients. So you'll need yeast, hydrogen peroxide, dishwashing soap. Dawn is probably the best one. Nice lukewarm water for the yeast. You never want to put very hot water in the yeast because it won't be a good thing for the yeast. Or you don't want to make it too cold because the yeast will not be activated. And then some food coloring, or what I have here, special watercolor magic. Now let's add our ingredients to make this elephant toothpaste. So the first thing we'll do, we'll add a half a cup of hydrogen peroxide. Just like this. Then, here we go, we'll take some dishwashing soap, we'll add a nice squirt to that, just like that. Then I'm going to mix it very well, just like that. Okay, we're done with that. Now I'm going to add the yeast mixture. Do you see it? Has an interesting smell to it. Now I'm going to just add it, and let's see what happens. Uh-oh, there it goes. There it goes. Wow, that is so amazing. That is an amazing slow eruption. So how does this work? Why is elephant toothpaste so amazing? Let me tell you the science behind it. Yeast contain an enzyme called catalase. When the hydrogen peroxide comes with contact with the yeast, just like this, the catalase breaks it down and turns the hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen. Now the oxygen takes the bubble, pretend it's the bubble, and this is the oxygen, and then when it grabs the bubble, it becomes formed like that. It becomes elephant toothpaste. So we have a little bit of chemistry and biology involved here. That's what we do when we make elephant toothpaste. Now friends, I have to tell you that I am just not a regular staff member. I'm also a mad scientist. And with this one, I want to wear my safety glasses because I have to do it the mad scientist way. Now, I advise you to always wear your safety glasses when you're doing this experiment anyway, just to make sure that nothing comes to your eyes. And also wear a nice apron too. But you really, really, really want to do this when it gets a little bit crazy. Now, as I mentioned before, you want to put a half cup of hydrogen peroxide, which I've already placed in here. Then you want to put some amazing dishwashing soap in it, just like this. You see what I'm doing? A nice squirt there. Then you want to mix it up. I'll take this spoon and mix it up. Mix it up very well. Now, I have the yeast mixture in here, and with the yeast mixture, I may have already said this, you want to put a tablespoon of yeast and 3 tablespoons of warm water. So I'm going to put this in here. Make sure it all goes in there. Let me put it in right now. Oh, and let's add a little bit of food coloring to this, which I should have done in the beginning, but guess what? It still looks great. So there you go. Another nice, slow, wonderful eruption. Well, friends, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this wonderful science experiment. And before I leave, I just want to let you know that you want to join the Summer Challenge, which will end pretty soon on July 31st. You read great books, and you'll get great prizes. In addition, if you want to see additional programs like this, as well as story times, visit the Library District's YouTube page, where you find some wonderful programs there. And to access all this information, you want to go to lvccld.org. Once again, lvccld.org. Thank you for watching this experiment, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.